of your Qool stroller completely so you're able to throw it in the washing machine. It doesn't look like it's easy, but it's actually quite simple. So, and it's really nice to be able to wash your seats. So I'll show you step by step on how to remove it completely, how to take out the seat board inside, and have it 100% ready for the washing machine. All right, let's do this. So first step, you're going to unzip. We're going to start from the bottom and work our way up. You're going to unzip the zipper here. I've already started here, but yours will look like this. So you'll just completely unzip the bottom portion. So we've got that off. The next steps are the side snaps. There's a total of 2 snaps, one on each side. So you have 2 on each side. Now we're halfway there. The next step is the zipper let's see. Actually, yeah, all you're going to do now is you can go ahead and remove the entire canopy by unzipping the canopy and just removing the plastic brackets on each side. So canopy is now completely out. That's out of the way. So the fabric will now be loose enough to allow you to hover and take it out of the recline mechanism at the very top of the seat. So you've just removed the seat completely. The last step is removing the seat board. This is what keeps your seat nice and firm. All right, so the seat board looks just like this. And when you insert your hand into the pocket here, you're going to basically thread the harness back out to the front. So let's do that now. First, you'll thread it to the seat, through the seat board, and then through the seat fabric. I'm going to do that on both sides. First, thread it through the seat board, then through the fabric. And this is what I'm working with on the seat board. I'm threading it through, first through the board, then through the fabric, and it's out. Now, we still have the waist harnesses to remove. So we're actually going to do the exact same thing, but you can probably see how we're going to do that with the waist buckles. So I'll show you what I did earlier. Threaded through the seat fabric and through the seat board, I mean. And let's go thread it. And let's do that on both sides first. Let's get the seat board out. And you'll just wiggle the buckle right out. Okay. Seat board can come completely out. Now, the last step, because the harness is lower, you'll just have to place your arm in this pocket a little bit lower and just do the exact same thing. Just go ahead and thread it out, and it's very easy. All right, so we've got one down. Okay, so back seat board is out. We have the bottom board here. You notice I just unzipped this. It'll come right out for you. All right, so this one, you'll thread through the fabric first. Through the board and through the actual front part. Harness is completely out, and now let's take the bottom board out. It looks just like this. Last one, I promise. The bottom board this bottom section consists of 2 small boards. So you have a total of 3, footrest, bottom, and back. And they're all just inside of these compartments. So you just have to unzip. And this one has no buckles inserted. So you're just pulling it out and you're done. Now, my seat has been completely removed and is now completely ready for the washing machine. That's exactly how you do it. And that's it. Okay, now we're ready to install the harness back onto the seat. And it's easier if you find a flat surface where you can lay the seat and work the straps that way. Okay, so I'm going to start with the crotch buckle piece at the very bottom, and I'm just threading it through the fabric all the way in, and I can feel it's gone through the seat board as well now, and I can actually pull on it from the back. Now I'll adjust it, make sure it's nice and properly attached, and move on to the next strap. The next one we'll work is the waist harness buckles. These look like this. And these go into the vertical buttonholes towards the bottom of the seat. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to thread it through the buttonhole, and I can see the seat board opening right there as well. And you can push it right through, pressed firmly. And to give it a little bit of assistance, you can put your hand and your arm inside of the seat back pocket and just give it a quick hard pull. And make sure that it's also adjusted properly behind the seat board. Now we'll go and do the other side. Thread it through fabric. It's easier if you align it sideways first and give it a quick push that way. And then you can rotate the buckle and adjust it. I'm going to pull on it from the inside as well. And give it a hard pull. And I'm adjusting it now. It's in. The last ones will be a lot easier because they're higher up, so you won't have to bring your arm so far down. And I am going to insert them into the top slot. You can insert it into whichever one you need to. All right. So I'm threading it through both the fabric and the seat board. And you see I can easily reach here, and I can pull, give it a quick hard pull. And adjust, pull on it, and make sure it's secure. And I have one more. Okay, threading it through the buttonhole, and I am pulling on it from behind the seat. So I'm just going to give it a quick pull, and I'll make sure to adjust it after it's all out. So once I've pulled it all the way out, again, you want to make sure you adjust it and you secure. Now you just simply zipper the top on. Okay, now your seat is ready to go back onto the frame. And you'll just reverse everything we did. You'll start from the top to the bottom. You'll place your seat onto the frame, and then you're just going to roll this fabric over as such. And the first thing you want to do is get that recline mechanism back in its place. Get that fabric around it. And roll that fabric over the frame. You can give it a quick push, just a little tug downward to ensure that it's nice and tight. And now we're going to snap these pins. So you're going to have 2 of these on each side. The next step is zippering the bottom portion of the seat. So you'll align the zipper and continue zippering it all the way. The last step will be reinstalling your canopy. And so you'll find the side brackets and you'll insert these into the seat frame. There you go. So you want to start from the top, from the front part of the frame, and then squeeze it, close it onto the back. The last step with installing your canopy is zippering the back. Okay, so you'll just align the zipper and pull all the way. And you have just successfully removed your seat fabric and reinstalled it. Thank you.